If you were born in 1947, 1959, 1971, 1983, 1995, 2007, or 2019, you are person of the Pig Zodiac. The year 2026, the year of the Fire Horse, brings a powerful flow of energy guiding you toward new directions and significant achievements. The pig possesses an inherent quality of optimism and generosity, which creates a positive energy field that naturally attracts support and strong relationships. You are sincere, dependable, and often patient and resilient in your work, which allows you to steadily achieve your goals. However, a potential blind spot is a tendency toward excessive trust, which can lead to misjudgment or revealing information too easily. You also tend to avoid complex conflict, which might cause you to miss out on competitive advantages. In this energetic transitional period of 2026, you must learn to strengthen your personal boundaries and channel your good nature into systematic planning and decisive execution. We must acknowledge that 2025 was a year of energetic impact and turbulent adjustment. You may have faced unexpected changes in environment, relationship tensions, or unforeseen financial expenditures. Many born under the pig sign experienced increased stress and physical exhaustion. But this impact has built up resilience, preparing you for the full transition in 2026. As the year begins, your overall luck will see a comprehensive recovery and stabilization. You will leave the low-frequency turbulence behind and welcome strong external support forces that will greatly facilitate your career growth and network expansion. However, this high-frequency energy also brings a risk of minor depletion and emotional challenges. You need to be vigilant against small financial losses and manage your emotional state proactively to prevent accumulated stress from clouding your judgment. Overall, this year encourages you to be aggressive, seize external support decisively, and convert your recovered energy into tangible results. Let's delve into your core fortunes. Your wealth energy in 2026 shows a strong and steady increase in primary income. This stable income flow is a direct result of your performance and reputation, with potential for structural increases through promotions or professional skill development. In investments, while your secondary wealth luck improves, the risk of depletion remains. Avoid high-risk speculation. Focus on long-term, stable asset allocation. For major financial decisions, exercise caution and meticulous planning to prevent losses due to emotional fluctuations or misplaced trust. Your career energy is heading toward a peak, making it a year of breakthroughs and expanded influence. The support from external forces means you are likely to gain access to important projects or receive recognition from superiors. This is a golden period for expanding your business scope, venturing into new areas, and is particularly favorable for collaboration, negotiation, and public speaking. Your network will rapidly expand, with many opportunities arising from new social circles or referrals from old acquaintances. For those seeking change, this year offers the ideal timing for structural shifts, such as changing jobs, starting a venture, or pursuing further education. The emotional energy field overall tends toward maturity and harmony. Single individuals will attract partners who align with their values and are suitable for long-term commitment. You are advised to participate more in cultural or outdoor activities to broaden your social circle. For those in established relationships, this is a good year for commitment and progression, such as cohabitation, marriage, or starting a family. The key to maintaining the relationship is open and honest communication. Regarding health energy, attention must be paid to emotional stress and internal exhaustion. High work pressure can lead to mood swings and affect your respiratory system or skin. It is highly recommended that you incorporate regular exercise, meditation, or yoga into your routine to actively balance your physical and mental energy. You should also be mindful of the condition of your home environment, and the health of older family members, taking preventative measures where necessary. Different birth years will experience unique energy flows. For those born in 2019, the children, your learning will start to show independence and strong opinions. You will make progress in arts, sports, and extracurricular activities, receiving much encouragement. Parents should be vigilant about potential allergies affecting the skin and respiratory tract, checking the home environment for triggers. Those born in 2007, your academic luck is smooth. Take advantage of your youth to travel or consider overseas study programs to broaden your horizons. However, you must carefully manage your expenses and avoid frivolous spending. Any investment decisions should be based on long-term strategy, not unfamiliar market speculation. For those born in 1995, your career energy is strong for advancement and transformation. Although work pressure will be high, you will receive support leading to breakthroughs. Pay special attention to your skin, trachea, and respiratory system. These are your energy weak points, and preventive care is essential. Individuals born in 1983 will find their goals are clear and their ability to integrate resources is high, making it a good time to focus on core business with stable financial growth. However, you must heed signals of fatigue from your body and have regular checkups for your heart and blood pressure, avoiding excessive stress. Those born in 1971 will experience prominent energy of harvest and restoration. You can expect returns on earlier investments. This is an excellent time to recuperate and focus on physical conditioning and recovery from old ailments, perhaps by improving your living environment. For those born in 1959, your social energy is vigorous, promising a year of joy and harmony. Interact frequently with younger generations. Be mindful of maintaining good digestive health and adopting a light diet. Finally, individuals born in 1947, your luck is steady. Participate in gentle physical activities. Avoid overexertion and focus on harmonious family relations, which is your main source of good fortune this year. Be careful to regulate your digestion to avoid catching a chill. Now, let's look at the monthly energy flow and detailed advice for 2026. From February 4th to March 5th, this period is volatile and requires caution. Luck fluctuates significantly, and there may be minor disputes. You should avoid impulsive actions at work, and communication in relationships requires patience. From March 6th to April 4th, this is a challenging and defensive phase. Avoid high-risk loans or investments and pay attention to your health and emotions. Be vigilant against unexpected financial losses. From April 5th to May 5th, this is the peak period and a window of opportunity. External support energy is strongest, leading to rises in both wealth and career. This is ideal for signing important contracts, expanding cooperation, and making strategic moves. From May 6th to June 5th, this period is stable and focused on planning. It is suitable for long-term planning, but you must be especially careful about traffic and outdoor safety. From June 6th to July 6th, this is a spending and alert phase. Be careful of unnecessary expenditures and keep your work conservative. From July 7th to August 6th, this is a health warning period. Health energy is weak, and you are susceptible to minor illnesses or accidents, requiring prompt medical attention. From August 7th to September 7th, this is the wealth activation period. Investment returns are likely, making it an ideal time for major financial decisions. From September 8th to October 7th, this is a period of adjustment and reflection. It is suitable for self-improvement and learning. Avoid making major commitments. From October 8th to November 6th, this is a phase for learning and networking. Learning energy increases, making it easy to meet helpful new contacts. From November 7th to December 6th, this is a period of development and reward. Efforts at work will pay off, with output matching input. from December 7th to January 4th, 2027. This is the year-end sprint. Be meticulous in wrapping up work, as emotional fluctuations are high. Maintain a calm state of mind. Finally, from January 5th to February 3rd, 2027, this is a period of harmony. Family and emotional energy are stable, making it a good time for relaxation. In conclusion, 2026, the year of the fire horse, is a year of energetic repair and powerful advancement for the pig. By actively utilizing the strong support energy around you, you are set to achieve a comprehensive shift in your career and wealth. We sincerely remind you that the 12 zodiac analysis covers approximately 1/12 of the global population's annual energy trend, providing a broad probabilistic guide. If you desire a truly unique and highly precise personal destiny reading, we invite you to have your complete life energy blueprint analyzed based on your full date and time of birth. To understand more about your personalized deep analysis,